Don't wanna tiptoe, I don't wanna... Wait, why it's heavy? This one is Gold Solar, Valenzuela, Pasubalas.
Okay, listen. I need a lot of ice cream. Like, when I mean a lot.
Let's check if
Your whole entire
everything is working. See.
Perfect. Thank you so much. And finally, after 15 minutes, the ice cream truck arrives.
Doon ka rin eh. Morning ka na ako.
The ice cream man has enough ice cream.
Alright, it's me, kapin.
Kani?
Oh. Adi. Ang gusto daw, nabayaran na. Ang gusto, wait, it's me, kapin. Ay, nanak na ni. Ang gusto din ni.
Kani? Ako lagi ano dito sa bulbong. Ano dito?
Mapapilit biya ka na.
So that means we have to take out all this furniture. We have to do it.
This one, I am so excited for this one.
Let's go, guys. We gotta do
Sige.
One, two,
Sige na, sige.
this. You guys are not helping me at all. I'm running out.
Sila doon material dyan, that's me. Alam. Please. Ha? It's me.
Snail, dala, kani ka na po, snail.
Guling ito, gulang.
Tulad man eh. Kani, di ko po baon. Karoon ka na. Tago dyan eh. Ito lang dako na. Kita? Ay, okay. Dakuan, the outlet chuchu.
Wait. By the way, you guys, this is a special present that I personally got for my mom. I'm gonna be giving it to her after she sees the ice cream store. I'm so excited.
Andrea's currently in surgery right now, and I just hope that everything goes okay.
Uy, matani.
Alright, you guys, bring in the ice cream freezer. Let's go, bring it down. Whoa, alright. Let's go. This is actually a very important part because that's where we put the ice cream. It's the ice cream. You get it? Right here. Whoa, right there.
Ito na lang. Amo na siya 4,000?
Ha?
Amo na siya 4,000?
3,000 ni Kapin, ma? So, dali.
How did it go?
Ano na siya pasigaon?
Fantastic. And I guess she was telling you that a little surprise waiting for her at home.
Anong tali mo ako, ma?
Ha?
Anong tali rin?
She's still living.
Ano dali yung kinabuhi ang pasigaon?
Ollie, okay?
Ay, dali.
Now that Andrea's done with her surgery, we're heading home. I just hope Farad is almost done.
Saan oras na out na?
I need this car all the way over here. That
Ha?
is perfect. Right
3?
there. You guys.
Yung si Luis, nagklase pa mo.
Oh yeah. I think this will come clear color.
3 mo ni out?
Yato, maka ni daddy na.
Hindi man ka. Hindi mo ka nakuha. Dito ko sa gym. Mamakakta, hindi man ka.
Nagag tali na siya, wala makikita.
Dugay-dugay ka ko dito na pizza sa parking ha. Kuya kita kuya. Kuya to, kasulong ni Lunes. Kuya ni mo. Nagklase pa daw mo. Diyan to si kuya ni mo. Diyan to mo.
Oo, tawag ka.
Po. 4 ko niya to. Oo. Di man ka. Wala ka sa gym.
Crucial item that I need for this ice cream store. And that crucial item is this bag. Let's take this downstairs.
Makikita mo balik na ron.
Sa pupunta.
Bro, what are you doing here? No,
Hindi na tayo sa kubihon. Tanaw to sa YouTube. Pero hindi tayo maestra. Diba ma? Sakto ba ma?
Saan dyan eh? Ano yung nadoble?
Ha?
Ano yung nadoble ka?
Muna mo, nadubli mo. Ay, pag siguro dubli ay.
3,000 na dito na.
Sila na eh?
1,000? Diba, sada?
Pangpasko lagi yung taon kay Zoe kay taon ng kuwan ba yan. Resulta, mag-order na dito ka.
Sus, wala.
Mga suwan ni din, mga suwan ni. Isa dito.
Asa ba rin yung pamutan?
Yes, lagi. Iya, mo gini ako na mag-order ko nga naan ni siya. Uy, may lagi di siya na naiya ang mga
Hamad-hamad.
bantay ha. Bantay.
Wala.
Ako na nabuto.
Sorry na kabuhan ng malita.
Mama ko daw dito katawa sa mga inana, oh. Duha na lang. Katong lingin ba?
Ano man doon na?
Sa ulo, duha na lang na sika.
Ano ba doon? Sige. Kay.
Kasi ka ba sa? Di ba siya ingon nga, solar mabidra mabasa imo na lang gid yung basa. Siya tan-aw na po siya. Dili ba dumi. Kani ito ka nagtagos kay para. Wow! Usi! Dagan pa kang yaw-yaw, nindot kayo.
May kanilo ba lang? Ano mag-doble ba yan?
Hot.
Ha?
Dili ko warm white lang po pangkon.
Ito sa to.
Awa, di ana man na siya. Awa, ana na siya.
Kaya na.
O, gitay.
Itay na siya niyo. Siya. Para.
sit down, eat your ice
Ah,
cream.
Saan na yung butang?
Ngayon na.
Here,
Ah.
this right here. This
Hindi kaya na siya ilaray na dito man ah. Kita ka sa mong parol ma? Pakitas mama di.
Ha?
Yung parol mo, nindot kayo mo. Pakitas si mama ba? Itong parol ba?
Asan mo?
Parol.
Ah, sige, oy, tagtuon na ako.
Kita si Granny na kita si Granny. Nana na siya di. Oh, nice. Pang aesthetic ni, pang aesthetic ni. Gusto sa ako na.
Asa na yung butang?
Ato sa taas may din. Ano na? O dali, baka Christmas ako na.
Saan na mo?
Talaga.
Hala! Iyak ko na kay butang niya siya kwarto.
Di pa lang niya na ma-appreciate ma kay kuan man ma kanang wala pa man na porma. Niya naman na siya ma-appreciate o kanang nahuman na. Okay,
Ay, nice.
Hi!
Oy.
Oo nga, nice kayo. Ichok na. Ichok. Bali. Wala na nagatubang dire.
Di mo siya na pinalit sa kuwan?
Oh, kwarta na sa amin.
Di ba? Pinalit sa...
Dito sa Compostela.
Wow!
Nice
Kailan
kayo
na?
ano? 4. Gihangin na mo.
4 mil?
4-5 punta siya.
Ah, ka-nice, anoy. Nasa na ditay?
Dito sa Teres Mag, tapos sa kanapan ba?
Kita na ito.
Ikaw, barina. Wala barina.
Ah, okay.
Mau mo na gamitan sa barina. So, manik, ano po kung saan sa ni?
Bari na, ang buwang ka. Ha?
Kani, dito ni Paiti ko sa hangin. Ganyan ka doon.
Ay! Ano na? Balik kayo?
Mo ganing mahal na siya. Ay tungod ana, yang kuan lights.
Ang ilang kon ba shield. Shield.
Chill git siya.
Ano nindot kita na? Nagyaw-yaw ko rin ka. Eh!
Sus! Asan?
Oh, sus,
Ay,
kapag mo
wala.
ipapalit.
Nindot ni. Tidag ko.
Nakakala.
Ah, likaya ni siya.
Ito, nagawa ko.
Sige, natin, dito na tara na.
Ate, suga. Buntag na hibutay. Ay, sulang. Hindi, ay.
Kaya ito na nakagutan dito sa Pinas Series. Ito na pinapura ba?
Kaya mo na, Ridley.
Ito nila ginagawa game.
Muna siyang pila mo na.
Only one mata, 1,000.
I can help you guys get to
Oh,
day
ano ba yan
99. Wait, hold on.
Nya,
You
magkuhan
want-
gani?
you wanna carry actual nukes? Oh my god, he said for real? I got you.
Huh?
You see
Ano
the
yung madubli?
days, I'll carry you guys to 500. Don't
Bismil na
worry.
yan,
Oh my
bismil.
god, hey, don't be lazy.
Siga ako, no?
You gotta be pro. I
Ay,
got
pa
you,
sa
bro.
cut mo.
I got you, okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Go on, go. Okay, so I am now in the game. Oh, Mason just loaded in. So I guess we're playing with like 3 complete nukes. I don't know who Mason is. I don't know how Brody's
Oh,
stuck in
ayan,
here. The
naka-report
little green
na
goblin
ako.
behind me. I guess I'm
Sorry,
in a game
Buksiga.
with 2 complete
Ay, mo nila na?
Mason is pro player carrying the 11. So only till day 500.
Dagan itong siga sa ito. Siga na ito, de? Katong imong ilipyuhan?
Why do you say it like that?
Waka kapalit din, no?
What? Oh, really? Why not?
Oh, is that all?
Axe is trash. Let's
Sakit?
get the fire. These guys are kind of dope. You guys chop the tree and do not even collect the logs.
Oo,
What are you
kabilin
doing?
there.
Oh, Mason actually has the chef class.
Saan
Mason
din,
is not bad.
Sakit
Okay.
kay...
Hey, don't put the logs in the grass bro. That's not where we put logs. What is he doing? These guys clearly have no idea what's going on, so I think it is my duty to carry them all the way from day 1 to day 500. Now, there's going to be a lot of
Ay, dara-dara yung
the first thing is that they don't leave the game. Okay, I really hope my random teammates don't leave the game, because if they don't, I will carry them to day 500. This is going to be a long video.
Ah, pareham na sa angkol sa una, ay.
Kids, carry these
Order,
noobs.
order.
You should not play the
Pareham
game.
na sa imo,
I
oh.
like that, 'cause they seem like complete noobs. And then,
Wag,
also
kasunod
these guys,
buwan,
maybe
wala
just
nagsiga.
have to like accelerate
Ay,
One month, sige. Kuha na rin.
Tagay, ginoo ko,
One month
isa.
yan, one.
Puro-puro
Oh,
sagot.
ba, ma?
One na na.
Inana, tutog angkol.
Huwag yun.
Frederick, what is Frederick on about, bro? I'm gonna go out exploring, try and get some more fuel and upgrade.
Basta sulam mo na siya.
Still alive right now?
Ang sulat dito.
Wala na gugana solar, ay.
Try and get some stagger breakers.
Sulat mga kuan, mga
3,000 gito ko palit atong kuano, mga lingin-lingin. Kaya 500 man. Unom ko buhok. Tuhan lain siga.
So I should. If we're getting a good stack, bro died. There's too many. I'm a rush. It's crazy. Bro, what happened? No, please don't leave the game. Please don't leave the game. Yo, Fred, what happened, dude? Even Jim said,
Oh, good.
How did you die? There were so many of them. Don't worry, I'll save you. All right, bro. Mason is literally just staring at his. Oh, Mason's going in for it. Mason, you got it. Mason hasn't said a word, by the way. I don't know what's going on in this guy's brain. All right, well, don't worry. I'll do it. Don't worry, I
Ano
got
ba
this.
din?
This is
Anak
super
ko
hard
siya
class.
pala.
No, Mason's coming in
Plastic
now.
na din eh.
Get him, Mason. Get him, Mason. Oh my god, he's done it. Mason actually, I think, has the highest stage. He has like 30 days or something. He's actually pretty good. I'll survive Robux. I don't even care. I hope he doesn't leave the game. That's what's going to win. If Bro leaves the game after I start
Sabi
putting
pa mo.
Robux on him, I'm going to be annoyed. There you go. Okay, I revived you. Be careful. Bro, the other guy died now? Oh my god, these guys are actually... Okay, these are... They are noobs. They are definitely noobs. You died to a turkey? No way. How did you die to a turkey, bro?
Tingnan lagi na siya ikuan. Di pareha ni ba?
What type of server did I just join, bro?
Awesome din ah.
I'll try to see this log game. Let me see if I can grab myself a voice.
Wait,
from the
tanawan
mic.
ninyo,
Maybe
babasa
grab
niya.
two
Mga
upgrades.
puto na.
Oh, we got the first missing kid. It's great. Jim, I want to rescue to the other guy, but I don't have advantage, so I think he's gonna have to wait a second. I'll have to go out and find him. Because I'm not trying to send Robux like for a
Grabe, abot na. lagi nagpangaboto.
Anything else in your sheet metal? Good.
Sa-
Why was the turkey meat not? Oh my god. Oh my god. Why was the turkey meat not edible? Is crazy. No, you don't eat that. You died to. Oh no. Oh no. Bro ain't wrong with the guy.